Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create and use managed service accounts in Active Directory. Managed service accounts is used to securely run service and schedule tasks on server and workstation in the Active Directory domain. MSA or managed service account is a special type of account for which the AD generates a complex password for 240 characters and automatically changes the password every 30 days. MSA account cannot be used for interactive login. The password is not known to anyone and it is not stored on the local system. There are two types of service accounts in Active Directory. Standalone managed service account SMSA. It was introduced in Windows Server 2008 R2. There is a particular object attribute for that is called MSDS-managed service account in the Active Directory. This account can only be used for a single computer. Second one is Group Managed Service Account GMSA. It was introduced in Windows Server 2012 and it is having another attribute in the Active Directory that is called MSDS Group Managed Service Account. You can use GMSA account on multiple Windows servers. Unlike the SMSA, GMSA can be used with multiple services and with multiple computers. It can also be used for clustering things. In this video, we will learn how to create and use standalone managed service account, and I will cover GMSA in the upcoming videos. Before you start creating managed service account, you must perform a one-time operation of creating the KDS root key. The domain controller belongs to your root domain. I have already created another video to show how to add KDS root key. You will find some difficulties, but I have also provided a solution for that as well. And I will add that link in this video. We can use below command to create standalone managed service account. Okay, let's move to the domain controller. So this is the command that we will run to create managed service account. So this is new -ad service account -name. This will be the name of your account that you want to create. But remember that must not be more than 15 characters because Microsoft doesn't support. Enable true. DNS host name. This is the name of your computer where you want to use this. Okay. Server or computer name. Okay. That is live here. You can see. And I can also see this is available in my Active Directory. And you can also see this is available in the DNS as well. So this is not the just any random name, but it is a unique and which is available in your DNS as well, right? Hyphen principal name allow to retrieve managed service password. So we need to set something here which will be used to, or we can say, okay, this particular computer can retrieve the password of this computer from the Active Directory. Okay, so this is the same account name of my computer where I am going to use this particular SMSA account. Okay, let's run this. Before you, before I run this, there is one container managed service account. Nothing is here. Okay, if everything is fine, yes. Oh, access deny. No problem. Run as administrator. we have created. So it is always good idea to open the PowerShell as a administrator if you are having the access. Okay, so this is my account is available. Now question is how to use this. So as I said earlier, this account can only be used with a single computer. So I have already decided in my CMD let where I want to use this. I want to use this on this computer, and this same account name will be able to retrieve the password of this computer. So let's move to my computer here. So before you use this account, you should use or you should install RSAT tool on your computer. I have already created another video already how to install RSAT tool on the workstation, and this is the KB actually. If you want to just take a look, you can install this. I have already installed it to just save your time, and I can see if you come here, Windows Administrative Tools. So these are some components that were installed after installing RSAT tool. Okay, so I am more interested here. If I open Active Directory, I can open the Active Directory here. Okay, so RSAT tool is installed. So there are some PowerShell command as well you can install by using that. But this is the simple way to just download and install. And second thing is I need to one minute PowerShell, and I need to install that service account in this computer before I can use this. So first requirement is install the KDS root key, create the service account, install the RSAT tool, then install the particular account in your computer. Then you can think, okay, I can use this account for particular account in the server for any services or scheduled tasks. So now I'm going to install this account in this computer. So what is the command is? Sometime most of the time we say cmd let, not command. Install AD service account hyphen identity. Okay, and I need to put my service account name here. So this is my service account. Okay, and now I want to test this whether it has installed or not. So test I am AD service account. I okay, run this. You will get true. So it means we are going in the good direction. Now you have particular service that you want to run with this account. So what you can do, choose any service that you want to run. I don't want to run any service by this account because these are some default services installed by computer. But I just show you simple thing, then you can use whenever you want to use this. Okay, come here. Here you can see it is running as a local account. You come here and just type your here, go to location, type, select interactive directory. Okay. So please remember to add dollar here. Okay. Check name. You can do this and apply OK. I will not do this because it can create the problem, because this is the default service created by operating system. So but whenever you are running your service, please select like this and add the dollar while searching here. And remember, you select the entire active directory or your particular domain like this in the location tab. Okay. So please note, there is no graphical user interface to create any scheduled task through the managed service account. Okay, by using any graphical user interface, you cannot add this account as a service, as a, I would say you can't run any scheduled task by using this particular account. So you have two three options. First, you create any scheduled task by using this account through PowerShell. Okay, or you can simply create any scheduled task by using any other account and validate that okay, it is working fine. And once you find out okay, that scheduled task is working fine by using any other account, then what you can do, you can just open task scheduler. So I created this scheduled task for just testing purpose by using account pawan. Okay, you can see in the bottom. And if I just, this is a simple task, simple scheduled task, just to demo. Here you can see run whether user logged or not. Username, when running the task, use the following user account pawan. In the here you can see configure for Windows 7 2008 R2. This is the name that I choose. Okay, this is the time when it should run. So this is the action that will be done by the service account. Okay. So one more thing I want to tell you. So we need to give log on as a batch job permission for this particular account, my service account. What you can do, you can come here, security setting, local policies, user right assignment, log on as batch job. Let's try if it works without doing this, or we will add that. Currently, I have created this schedule task. Okay, let me save this. What is required for me? It should close all. So now we want to test this whether this is working fine or not. I am running this. Yeah, my computer is rebooting. Okay, it is ready again. So we are again here. Here, open the PowerShell. PowerShell is not required of now. No problem. We need it. We will open task scheduler. Okay. So as I said, we can create a task scheduler by using PowerShell with this particular service account, or you create your schedule task manually as you keep on doing by using your any other account which is having this types of permissions. Once you are fine, your testing is done. Just run one command to set that account as a service account. Okay. Set this account to run this schedule task. Okay. So now it is running with the account Pawan. Okay. Now I want to set my managed service account SMSA. That is easy way that I thought. Okay. Because I'm little bit good in the GUI mode. PowerShell is just tricky. Okay. So this is the CMD let where we are saying change TN something. This is the name of my task. Okay. And this is the domain name. This is my same account. Okay. Same account name of my stand standalone managed service account. Rest things will same. You just need to change the name of your task here, and you just need to change the your service account name with your domain name. Okay, let's run this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's saying something, but no worry. But we can see here in the bottom here, right? Success. We can see on the warning only there. It will not run. Okay, so now just refresh this and you see magic. Okay, you are having that particular task, the particular service account. So remember one thing, once you are ready or once you have provided that particular service account, okay, to run this particular schedule task, don't modify anything. If you modify anything, again you are in the problem because it will ask you for the password and you are not having the password, right? For example, I would say, okay, nothing, just demo. You are not having the password, so you can't modify anything. But still you are having the same situation. You are saying, okay, no worry, I forgot to mention something in the beginning before I chose that service account to run the schedule task. But no problem. What you can do, You can just go here, come here, type any account which is having the permission, required permission, okay, and modify something whatever you want to. Not time only, you can modify anything whatever you want to, okay, and just save this. And you are having the password for this account, okay. Now it is running with the Pavan. Now you are set. You are thinking, okay, everything is set. I don't want to change or modify anything, but I want to run this account with the service account. So again, you just come here and select this. That's fine, right? So this is easy, I think so, right? Let's try to run this whether it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. So no need to provide any specific permission for this account specifically. But if you are thinking, okay, that is not working as expected, so please provide the one as badge of permission for this particular account so that you can use this service account for running your scheduled tasks properly on any computer. There is a benefit of this account. Why we are using it? Because password is a very complex thing and very critical for each and every account, right? So by using this account, there is no need to remember the password. Computer will take care or Active Directory will take care of the password itself. It will change the password every 30 minutes, 30 days, and it will not be known to anyone in the world, okay, or in the infra, I should say. And nobody knows the password except Active Directory. And and one more important thing is this account cannot be used to log in. I would say to cannot be used for interactive login for any computer. So these are the two benefits uh, that I can understand. There may be other reason as well. Microsoft has declared something that okay, if any service account is being used for accessing some particular applications in Azure Active Directory, multi-factor authentication will be triggered no matter what, but MFA will be triggered for those particular accounts. And you know very well, service accounts are not the used for any human, can not used by any human person. Those are dedicated for any service account, any service or for scheduled task. And people do not want to trigger the MFA for any service account because it will be difficult to remember when the password is going to expire, when MFA will be triggered. So there may be service interruption in the production. That's why people do not want to use the MFA, multi-factor authentication, for any service accounts. But Microsoft has declared in coming days MFA will be triggered for each and every service account if they are accessing some particular 5 applications in the Azure Active Directory, application or services in the Active Directory. That's why Microsoft has suggested instead of normal user account, normal service account, please use manage service account for your application or services so that MFA will not be triggered and you will be able to access your application as intended, and there is no service interruption for your infrastructure. That's all for this video. If you learn something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.